Buongiorno e benvenuti. I'm Stefanie Smith from Lionard Luxury Real Estate, and today we are going to see an exclusive property for sale near Castel Sant'Angelo. Check it out. Today we are in Lazio, and specifically in Rome, which is the capital of Italy and home to centuries of art, history, and beauty. The property that we are about to see is only a 3-minute walk from Castel Sant'Angelo and a 15-minute walk from la Basilica di San Pietro and i Musei Vaticani. E quando uno è alla ricerca di un attimo di tranquillità, la città eterna offre questi angoli di paradiso in cui passeggiare circondati dagli alberi e dalla bellezza dei monumenti a 2 passi dal Tevere. I love going for walks along Il Tevere. I find it to be so relaxing. This is also the ideal spot if you enjoy biking or jogging. But now, let's go check out the property. We are on the top floor of this beautiful building that dates back to the 1800s. The foyer introduces these gorgeous wooden floors that follow us throughout the apartment. This space has lovely frescoed ceilings. And we can access a bathroom that serves the floor, as well as the property's private elevator and a guest bedroom. But let's continue in the living area. This spacious living room is divided into 2 distinct sitting areas that can be used for multiple purposes. The room is elegantly furnished, and here we see a first example of the fine finishes and materials that are used throughout the apartment. For example, if we look up, we have the gorgeous covered ceilings with carved wooden details, as well as the hand-painted double doors that give us access both to the staircase that will take us up to the bedroom area that we will see in a moment, and to our second and smaller living area. This cozy living area maintains the elegance and the refinement of the previous room. Here we enjoy a lot of natural light thanks to the double windows and its exposure. Through this double door, we access the home study. This room is embellished by the gorgeous covered ceilings that frame the crystal chandelier. And we also have a lovely fireplace which is shared with the adjacent dining area that has a stunning marble mantel with internal cast iron frame. The dining area has a large central table that can sit up to 8 people, illuminated by the lovely crystal chandelier that brings our attention to the ceilings, the beautiful frescoed wooden ceilings. I must say I'm quite smitten by this property. It has the perfect combination between elegance and feels like a home. Also, it has the ideal location. As mentioned, the room is embellished by this lovely fireplace, also in this case with marble mantel and internal cast iron frame with floral details. The dining room is perfectly connected to the kitchen. But now, if you follow me, let's go check out the bedroom area. The bedroom area is developed on 2 floors. On this lower floor, we have the laundry area as well as the first bedroom with bathroom and beautiful exposed wooden beam ceilings. I like how the wood on this floor changes to a lighter tone that really brings out the blue wood of the banister that has gorgeous glass elements with floral details. This floor is also very well illuminated. But if you follow me, let's continue with our tour. At the top of the stairs, we have this multifunctional area with tall, exposed wooden beam ceilings that leads us straight to the second bedroom, which has its own walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom with shower. And to complete the bedroom area is the master bedroom. This spacious room has gorgeous exposed wooden beam ceilings, its own ensuite bathroom with bathtub, shower with Devon and Devon tiles, and a walk-in closet. An interesting feature of the master bedroom is the TV with its built-in structure. But my favorite part of this room is the terrace, so let's go check it out. This 24 square meter terrace completes the gorgeous property that we have just seen. It is the ideal spot to enjoy relaxing moments in the complete privacy of your own home. We can access the terrace both from the master bedroom as well as from the staircase. This is the ideal space to enjoy your morning coffee or even a good book. I personally could really see myself spending most of my time out here. And if we go up these 2 steps, we can catch a glimpse of Castel Sant'Angelo. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed yourself as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And on that note, I'm going to go and enjoy this beautiful spring day in the city center of Rome. Ciao!